All right, we're gonna break down a jackknife today, okay? Fun little core exercise. You're gonna be laying flat on your back, core strong, and you're gonna be reaching opposite arm to opposite leg. So we're getting long, making sure when we're long, we're not having an excessive arch in our lower back. So set the core, and you're reaching up, getting shoulder blades off your back, off the ground at least, okay? And then switching that. You may turn this into coming off and getting onto your hips all together. Okay, reaching up, depending on your fitness level, your strength, reaching up and reaching for that opposite foot. Another option I like to do sometimes is just pick one side. So not one side left, but one side left and right, okay? And all reaching for that. So we nail down and dial in one side and then take another moment, set of reps to go on the other side. Okay, core strong, reach up, get those shoulder blades off the ground, and cross that core up. So get after it, have some fun with it, we'll see you soon.